what are the pros and cons of real estate investing versus, say, an online business like an Amazon storefront or any type of e-commerce course or business you can start there? You'll see there's a million options of starting businesses. And we want to share with you the pros and the cons of real estate investing versus online e-commerce type business that you're seeing ads for all over the place. Oh, I signed up for this course and made $1 million type thing, right? That's what we're going to cover on the Wholesale Daily Show today. I'm Dustin.
I'm Corey.
We are Wholesale Daily Show, coming at you 5 days a week. If you're new to the show, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. We would appreciate the support if you like it, of course. And let's dive into today's topic. And this is a really interesting topic, right? Because you have real estate investing, but if you are anywhere on the internet at all, you're going to see ads about like, oh, I started an Amazon storefront, I'm making $1,000 a day type thing. Or I do drop shipping, or any type of the million ways to make money on the internet. And I think we're qualified to talk about the pros and cons of this because we do real estate, but we've also sold a lot of stuff on the internet, like real estate books that we've all written and things like that. So it is, both of them have their pros and their cons of each one. Mm-hmm. And I'm a little biased towards real estate, but you can definitely have a good run of making money with an online business. The problem is going to come down to where you're going to put your time and your energy and how much resources that you have to put into this. Yep. So what are the pros of an online business that could be, say, something like Amazon? Well, the pros of that are you can work for yourself. It's internet based. There's millions of products that you can choose from. And we're in a really great era in human history where you can have the freedom to just go and sign up on an affiliate link with Amazon and be off to the races. Now, some of the cons of this are if you don't have a lot of money to get started, it's going to be very, very painful because unless you're going to go the social media route and use your phone and create like some sort of following on your phone around a specific Amazon product or an e-commerce store as an expert, you're going to have to buy advertising from Google, Facebook, or Bing, or any type of ad network to do that. So let's say you're selling a $100 knife set on Amazon and you can make $30 on that. Okay, your commission is $30 on this knife set. So you need to be able to make a profit, spend say 20, you need to spend $20 to make $10, if that makes sense. But more of the reality is that your profit margins are probably going to be a lot smaller, if not almost impossible to make, depending on the product that you choose, because you have to buy all this advertising. It's very competitive, and you're going to have to go through testing a whole bunch of products before you actually land on a product that works. And this can be very, very painful. So if it were me doing Amazon, this is what I would do. I would dedicate $10,000 that I'm willing to lose in advertising to find a few products that I can go ahead and sell and make a profit on. So I'm going to count on losing most of the money, but out of that we'll shake out a couple products that, hey, I can spend $100 and I can make back 110 or 120 consistently. So that is what I would do. If you're serious about doing e-commerce, I would say 5 to 10 grand at least to figure that out, to get the traction within a couple months, because if you don't have the budget, it is going to be long and it's going to be painful. And most people fail horribly when it comes to doing this because they get into it, it's hard, it doesn't work. They find another course over here, and then they go down the spider web of courses, and they don't ever get anywhere. So those are some of the pros and cons of an Amazon business or e-commerce or drop shipping type thing, which you've seen a million ads for. And now let's talk about real estate, okay? So the pros of real estate, here's what I love about real estate, is it's black and white, okay? You're dealing with a specific set of numbers of, all right, how much is the house worth? How much can I get it for? What type of spread can I make? And the really nice thing that I like about real estate is you don't actually need hardly any money to start. We've mentioned this now in other videos, how you can literally start real estate investing with no money. You can actually do it with no money. I think we just did a video last week on that, on how to do it with no money. And that is a very beautiful thing because you can go and have a crack at a profit of 5, 10, 20 grand without really putting in any money at all into the deal, which is very, very cool. And you're not at the whims of the Google algorithm changing or the Facebook algorithm changing. For example, people spent tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars building up their Facebook page so it has lots of likes. And these are e-commerce people or people with businesses. We did it. I think we have like 30,000 likes on one of our pages, and we spent money to actually get those likes so that when we posted a video to our page, we had more people see it.
Yep.
And then what did they do, Corey?
They changed the algorithms that doesn't matter anymore. So you actually have to pay to get people to see your page. So
exactly.
Kind of went downhill.
So people paid to get likes in hopes that you have this farm of people like, hey, I have 30,000 people that I've paid for to express interest in my page. Then when I make a post, I know that that's going to go out to 30,000 people-ish, right? But then what they did is they changed the algorithm and said, no, now you have to pay again to take that to those 30,000 people. So you pay to get the 30,000 people to like your page, then you have to pay again to have that content be shown to them. So that's just an example of one little Facebook change that happens overnight that can change your business and wipe you off the map. And we've had that before too with Google buying AdWords traffic, where we're selling books on the internet, it's going awesome, and then we wake up and our Google AdWords account is shut down. So overnight your business is wiped out. So that's a big con of online marketing.
Yeah.
And with real estate, what's really nice about it is you can really be in control of that. The real estate markets, they're going to shift and fluctuate a bit. But like we've mentioned on our other trainings, is you can go and do this stuff. We do it virtually from anywhere. And that's one thing. So if you're in a market, say you're in California and things are, $500-600 grand and you can't crack into the market, you can virtually start somewhere like Iowa or Montana or somewhere small to get the game going for you and really grow your business that way. So there's a lot of pros and cons, and eventually you'll get to a scale where you can harness the power of the internet for your real estate business, but you want to get to work so that you have some money, because we basically look at it this way. Anytime we're going to test with Google or Facebook or Instagram ads, we basically know that for every $5,000 that we're going to spend, most of it is going to be wasted. And within that is going to be a little sliver of traffic that is going to work, and then we extract that, and then now we have a sliver of traffic that can work for us, hopefully long term. But that's also not even the case. So eventually you will incorporate online stuff into your real estate business, but the nice thing is that you don't need to count on it for everything. There's many other ways to go get out there and do this stuff.
Yeah, true.
But you have any comments on that?
Not really. I mean, just like the common thing of, it sounds really good. Like you'll get hit with all the ads for how quickly and easy it is to start an Amazon store. And I even started one and was sharing links and stuff. I didn't put too much effort into it, but it's really easy to get caught into the loop of, oh, this is going to be the thing that makes me money. But it really requires just as much work as anything else. And so if you just do it for a little bit, you're not going to make any money. So I would just caution you that if you're in the spot now where you've been in real estate for a bit and you're thinking, oh, maybe I should do this, or this, it's probably not the best time for you to switch. You should probably keep going on what you're doing. But that's just beware of that desire to jump ship and change directions.
Shiny object syndrome.
Big shiny object.
Man, it will tempt you at every challenge you get to on your real estate journey or anything you're going to do, because it's the beginning of when you're starting to where it's fun, because you're learning all of this stuff and you can go and get kind of immediate action. You can buy your business card, your website, and just picking all sorts of paraphernalia for your business that doesn't really make you money, but is a ton of fun to buy, like fancy whiteboards and stuff like that you don't really need. But so one of the things we wanted to do for everybody who stuck around to the end is, we know that when you're starting in real estate, one of the most important things is your wholesale contract. Okay? And we're going to give you a copy of our wholesale contract so you can check it out, download it. We spent over $1,000 getting this thing tuned by one of our attorneys. Now, don't use this exactly in your state. We're not attorneys, but you can use this as a starting point to take to perhaps a real estate attorney in your area to say, hey, does this work for where we are? And get them to look over it, and then you're off to the races and you have a comprehensive contract that covers the ins and outs. And at least learn it and read it and get yourself comfortable, or see how it compares to your contract. So below the video and on the video, right?
Below the video, it'll be the link in the description.
Is there a link on the video too?
No.
Thought we could do that.
I think they took that away. Maybe we can. We have to get our website.
Well, the link below or on, and you can go download this and check it out. It's a huge value that we want to give you guys for watching, and we know it can help a lot. Podcasters, just go to our homepage, which is modernrei.com, and you can download it there. So, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.